Blizzard Entertainment's Overwatch is experiencing a revival after overcoming its challenges, including balance issues and the troubled launch of Overwatch 2. The recent Overwatch 2 Spotlight showcased new heroes, innovative game modes, and revamped loot boxes, generating excitement among players. Community feedback indicates renewed engagement, although some fans remain cautiously optimistic. With a focus on player needs and potential for engaging multimedia content, the game's future looks promising as it aims to reclaim its former glory.